Now, after this chapter, we have an exercise on page number 37. Choose the best answer, which you have to do on your books. So, the very first statement is the writer thinks that cannibalism may have started from the belief that one would be brave if one ate enemies who were brave. Option B. Why would some people be surprised if they knew that soldiers in World War II were supplied with tinned tomatoes? They believed that tomatoes were poisonous. Option C. One modern food fallacy is that fish is only good as a brain food. Option B. It is fallacious to think that water should not be drunk with meals because water helps in digestion of food. Option C. So you have to solve this part. Choose the best answer on page number 37 on your books. After this, we are moving towards the meaning in context.